Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install VLC Media Player on Chromebook. So that's been said, let's get started. On Chromebook, there are two ways to install VLC Media Player. Number one is by using Google Play Store. On Google Play Store, you will find Android version of VLC Media Player. If you want to install desktop version of VLC Media Player on your Chromebook, then you can install through Linux terminal. Let me show you both the method. First of all, let me show you how you can install VLC Media Player through Play Store. For that, simply open Google Play Store and here search for VLC and select VLC for Android. And here you will find VLC for Android application. Simply select the application and click on the install button to install the Android version of VLC Media Player. Once installed, you can simply click on this open button to open VLC, or else you can simply click on the app drawer icon and here you will find here VLC Media Player application. So this is the Android version of VLC Media Player. All the features which you get on your Android smartphone are present on this version of VLC Media Player. Now let me show you how you can install the desktop version of VLC Media Player. For that, you have to use Linux terminal. To use the Linux terminal on your Chromebook, you have to enable Linux development environment. So I had already made a video on how you can install Linux on your Chromebook. So you will get the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. After you had enabled Linux development environment on your Chromebook, simply click on app launcher icon and here look for Linux apps folder. Simply open this folder and here simply click on this terminal icon. So here we have our terminal. Here simply click on this penguin option and here you will find here terminal command. To install VLC Media Player using Linux terminal, you have to run few commands. First one is sudo apt get update, then hit enter. It will update all the repositories. Once the update process has been completed, you can simply run sudo apt get installed VLC. Then press enter button. If you find do you want to continue option, here simply press Y and hit enter. And it will start installing the desktop version of VLC Media Player on your Chromebook. Once the installation process has been completed, simply close this terminal. Then click on app launcher icon. Then click on Linux folder. And here you will get your VLC application. Simply open this application to use VLC Media Player on your Chromebook. As you can see here, this is the full desktop version of VLC Media Player. Here you will find all the features as compared to the Android version. Here you can see the difference. This is the Android version of VLC Media Player and this is the desktop version of VLC Media Player. It depends upon you which VLC version you want to use. So that's it. These are two ways to install VLC Media Player on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.